Hey everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a helicopter in Wanted game on Roblox. All you have to do right now is you have to open your map and follow along with me. First of all, you have to go to this point of the location, Davis Heliport. So let's go into this location right now. Alright, we have come here. After coming here, we have to talk with a person whose name is Davis. Just come to that person and click E button or talk button, and here we have to choose the first option. I want to buy a helicopter. Just choose the option and then he will showcase two helicopters. The first one is Mini Bird and the second one is Scout. You can purchase both of them with different amount of money. For example, the first one is about 1.4 million and the second one is 3.2 million. So just choose the one that you want to purchase, and after purchasing, you can easily use your helicopter. For example, you have purchased a helicopter, so normally open your phone and go to vehicles and choose your helicopter. Then a helicopter will be spawned in a helipad. Just go to that location or helipad and use pilot mode to use the helicopter. That's all about today's video, how to purchase a helicopter in Wanted game on Roblox. Thanks for watching.